machines built to survive. And then there is this. Caterpillar spent over a century crushing mountains, moving oceans of earth, and building the infrastructure the entire world depends on. But in 2027, they stopped building for the world. They built for one person. Someone who doesn't ask for permission. Someone who doesn't follow roads, because roads were never part of the plan. What you are looking at is not a truck. It is not a motorhome. It is not an expedition vehicle. Every category you know, this machine has already left behind. 8 driven wheels, a drone bay that launches from the roof, an AI system so advanced it doesn't need a driver, it needs a destination, and Starlink V2 beaming full internet from low Earth orbit. Whether you're parked in the Sahara, the Siberian tundra, or the edge of the world, the question is not what this machine can do. The question is there anywhere on this planet it cannot go? Stay with me, because what comes next will completely change the way you think about freedom. Most people think Caterpillar builds equipment, bulldozers, excavators, mining trucks the size of houses. And they are right. For 97 years, Cat has dominated every industry that requires raw, unstoppable power. Their engines have moved more earth than any other manufacturer in history. Their machines have built highways, airports, dams, and entire cities from nothing. But there has always been a question inside Caterpillar's engineering rooms, a question nobody dared ask out loud. What if we stopped building for construction sites and started building for the person who wants to leave everything behind? What if the most powerful machine on Earth wasn't chained to a job site, but completely, absolutely free? In 2027, that question finally has an answer. And it weighs 14 tons, sits on 8 military-grade tires, and carries everything a human being needs to disappear from the world. Entirely, in absolute luxury. This is not a concept. This is not a render. This is Caterpillar's most extreme civilian machine ever engineered. And the world is not ready for it. Let us start from the ground up. Because with this machine, the ground is where everything begins. The 2027 Cat X8 sits on 8 individually driven axles, each one powered independently, each one capable of climbing gradients that would stop a military vehicle cold. The tires alone are 54 inches tall, the same specification used on heavy, tactical transport trucks operated by the United States Army. Each tire is self-sealing, nitrogen-filled, and designed to continue operating even after taking direct puncture damage. You could flatten 2 tires simultaneously, and this machine would not slow down. The suspension system is fully independent on all 8 wheels, using a long-travel hydraulic setup developed directly from Cat's mining truck division. What that means in real terms is that while one side of the vehicle is climbing over a boulder field, the other side stays completely level. The interior doesn't shake. The coffee on the table doesn't spill. The machine absorbs the earth beneath it like it doesn't exist. Ground clearance stands at 24 inches. Nearly 2 feet of air between the belly of this machine and whatever terrain sits. Below, river crossings up to 5 feet deep are fully within its capability. The approach angle, the departure angle, the breakover angle. Every measurement that matters in serious off-road engineering has been pushed to the absolute limit of what physics allows. This is a machine that was not designed to find a way around obstacles. It was designed so that obstacles are simply irrelevant. And if you are still watching, what comes next is where it gets truly extraordinary. Now let us talk about power. Because Caterpillar does not do anything quietly. Under the hood of the 2027 Cat 8X8 sits a 16.1-liter inline-6 diesel engine, the same lineage that powers Cat's largest on-highway commercial trucks. But this engine has been retuned, rebuilt, and pushed to produce 1,050 horsepower and 3,400 Newton meters of torque at the crank. Those numbers are not a mistake. Over 1,000 horsepower in a vehicle designed not for a racetrack, but for places no race has ever been held. The transmission is a 12-speed fully automatic unit with a dedicated off-road mode that reads terrain input 50 times per second and adjusts gear selection before the driver or the AI system even registers a change in surface. Power is distributed through a central transfer case to all 8 axles simultaneously, with torque vectoring technology that can send up to 90% of available power to any single wheel that needs it most. But here is where Caterpillar made a decision that nobody in this industry has ever made before. They added a hydrogen fuel cell range extender, not as the primary power source, but as a silent, zero-emission generator running continuously in the background, feeding the vehicle's electrical systems, climate control lighting, and onboard technology without touching the main diesel supply. The result is a machine with an operational range of over 800 kilometers on a single fuel load. 1,800 kilometers, that is London to Moscow. That is Los Angeles to Denver and back, without stopping once. If you thought this was just a big truck, you now understand why that description falls completely short. Stay with me. The technology inside this machine is where things become genuinely difficult to believe. The year's 2027, Starlink V2 has been fully deployed. Over 1,200 next-generation low Earth orbit satellites now blanket every inch of this planet with high-speed internet, including the poles, including the deep desert, including the middle of the Pacific Ocean, and the 2027 Cat X8 has a fully integrated Starlink V2 terminal built directly into the roofline, flush-mounted, aerodynamically sealed, always active. What that means is that whether you are parked at 15,000 feet in the Himalayas or sitting on a frozen lake in northern Canada, you have the same internet connection you would have sitting in a Manhattan penthouse. Video calls, streaming, real-time satellite navigation overlays, remote work, everything. The world does not disappear. When you leave civilization in this machine, civilization comes with you. And then there is the AI. Caterpillar partnered with one of the world's leading autonomous driving technology firms to develop what they call Terrain Intelligence, a Level 4 autonomous off-road driving system unlike anything that exists in any civilian vehicle today. 64 LiDAR sensors scan the environment in every direction simultaneously, building a three-dimensional map of the terrain up to 200 meters. Ahead in real time, 8 high-resolution cameras feed continuous visual data into the onboard processing unit, a system with more computing power than the average data center from just 5 years ago. The AI reads surface density, slope gradient, obstacle height, water depth, and traction coefficient simultaneously. It makes driving decisions in milliseconds. It selects lines through rock fields that a human driver would take minutes to assess. And in fully autonomous mode, it simply drives. You give it a destination, a set of GPS coordinates anywhere on Earth, and the machine finds its own way there, through the wilderness, through the night, while you sleep in the bedroom behind you. Nobody else has done this. Not Mercedes, not Toyota, not Earthroamer, and nobody. This is the first time in automotive history that full autonomous capability has been engineered specifically for off-road terrain, and it changes everything about what a vehicle can be. Keep watching, because what this machine carries inside is equally extraordinary. Step through the rear doors of the 2027 Cat 8X8 and the outside world ceases to exist. The interior living space spans 38 square feet of fully appointed cabin, finished in a material palette that reads more like a private aviation interior than anything the RV industry has ever produced. Full-grain leather sourced from a single Italian tannery, solid walnut cabinetry with brushed titanium hardware, a ceiling height of 6'4" throughout, tall enough to stand, move, and breathe without ever feeling confined. The bedroom occupies the rear third of the cabin, built around a fixed queen-size bed with a hand-stitched mattress and climate-controlled bedding system that adjusts temperature independently on each side. Blackout panels on every window deploy at the touch of a button. The noise insulation is so complete that even at highway speed, even on rough terrain, the interior acoustic level never rises above 38 decibels. That is quieter than a library. The kitchen is fully equipped. Induction cooking, a refrigerator and freezer running on the vehicle's hydrogen-assisted electrical system, a water purification unit that processes up to 50 liters of fresh water per hour from any external source, river water, lake water, rainwater. The 2027 Cat X8 does not need to find clean water. It makes its own, a bathroom with a real shower, a wet room finished in matte black stone tile, hot water on demand, heated by the vehicle's waste heat, recovery system so that not a single joule of energy is wasted. Every system in this machine feeds every other system. Nothing is excess. Nothing is inefficiency. Caterpillar engineered this interior the same way they engineer their mining equipment, with obsessive, uncompromising precision. And above all of it, flush with the roofline, sits the drone bay, a sealed, climate-controlled compartment housing 2 autonomous reconnaissance drones. At the press of a button, the bay opens, the drones launch, and within 90 seconds, you have a live aerial view of everything within a 5-kilometer radius, streaming directly to the 15-inch display mounted in the cockpit. Scout the terrain ahead, survey a campsite from above, monitor your perimeter through the night. The 2027 Cat X8 does not just travel through the wilderness and as it sees it from above. Now let us talk about what this machine actually costs, because a vehicle at this level of engineering does not come with a price tag. It comes with a conversation. The 2027 Cat X8 is expected to be offered in an extremely limited production run, fewer than 12 units per year globally, each one built to order, each one personalized to the exact specification of the person who commissions it. The base configuration, if base is even a word that applies here, is estimated to begin at $4.2 million, fully optioned with extended range fuel systems, upgraded drone technology, ballistic panel protection, and bespoke interior finishes. That number moves comfortably past $6 million. For context, a fully spec'd Rolls-Royce Cullinan costs approximately $400,000. A custom Earth Roamer expedition vehicle reaches around $1.5 million. The 2027 Cat X8 is not competing with either of those vehicles. It is not even in the same conversation. This machine exists in a category that has no competitors, because no competitor has ever been willing to build something this extreme, this capable and this uncompromising.